Divas, Frugal Diva, Frugal Diva, what? Frugal Diva. Southern Charities Bakery, Southern Charities Bakery. Yes, Dawns and Divas, we are here today with another exciting video. I want to thank you for coming on by, stopping by, staying a little while, watching a few videos. So, definitely we are going to get into making this awesome, quick chicken parmesan. This tea is absolutely lovely. This is peach passion fruit tea. OMG. It is lovely. On this very windy and cold day. I was about to say winter day because that's how cold it is here in New York City. The wind is howling, howling at the moon, okay? It is howling. But in any case, it has been raining all day long, so I've been inside and I've been making wonderful dishes. OMG! So we are going to get into this lovely, quick chicken parmesan. We will be making chicken parmesan sandwiches. Hello, Dawns and Divas. Next up, we're going to need some ingredients to turn this simple chicken parmesan into an Italian chicken parmesan. Still simple, but these ingredients will definitely be needed to turn it into an Italian chicken parmesan. First up, we have oregano. We're going to need that oregano to turn it into an Italian chicken parmesan. Next up, we are going to need Italian parsley. Once again, we're making this an Italian quick chicken parmesan. We're going to need that sassoon to definitely wake up the dish. This is what gives it that wonderful umami flavor. You don't have to use sassoon, but you do need to use MSG. That gives it the umami flavor. It ties all the flavors in together. Now we're going to put in a little sugar so that way we can break down the acidity in the tomatoes. Some water so that we can deglaze the pan. That's just getting all those wonderful iblets and giblets from off the bottom of the pan. Now here is some ketchup. If you don't have tomato sauce, if you don't have tomato paste, if you don't have pasta sauce, if you don't have those things, that's great. Now this is some garlic. We did put it in at the end because we do not want the garlic to burn. Oh my gosh. Burnt garlic is not a good taste. It is definitely not a good taste. And boy, oh boy, if you've ever tasted burnt garlic, you know exactly what I'm saying. So now we have this here. We have our wonderful bed for our chicken to lay down on. OMG, look at that chicken. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Wonderful, quick Parmesan. Yes. And of course, Parmesan needs Parmesan cheese. So we're going to sprinkle some of that wonderful Parmesan cheese on. OMG, is this going to be delectable? Yes. Okay, Dawns and Divas, we are back. OMG, was that not wonderful? Quick, easy, spectacular, of course, like the Dawns and Divas that we are. I would definitely like to say, I do not put ingredients in the comment. Not ingredients. I do not put the percentage of ingredients in the comment section, like exactly how much you should put here and there, because I always want, when you create these dishes, I want them to be your creation. I want you to make them your own. Let's not sit and go by the standard. Let's be fabulous. Diva and Dawn fabulous, okay? And create these dishes and make them your own. That is why I do these dishes, so that we can all create and make things awesome and better for us all. Dawns and Divas, I definitely like to say once again, always, thank you to all the essential workers who are out and about and are working very hard to keep us safe and to keep us healthy, and to keep our food supplies running, and just everything going on, from delivery workers to the food any food staff, to the hospital workers, to any policing staff. OMG, I thank y'all so much. OMG, I think from health to, I just think the military, I just thank y'all all so much. I know we all thank y'all. So I just needed to really, really say that. And Dawns and Divas, let's go on to enjoying our meal we just made. Dons and Divas, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I want you and urge you to try this in your home. And I want you to definitely make it your own. In any case, Dons and Divas, smooches!